slide. These are free trial offers, right? So I want to show you, today's the 31st of July. Here's a conversion. Here's a conversion. Here's one from yesterday. Here's one from the 29th. Here's the 25th, the 24th, the 24th, and so on, right? So if I went back in July, there's probably another 10 or 12 of these converted triggers. And this is a free trial that I'm promoting for Podia, right? There's me, Ian Hollander. This is Podia. This is actually the online learning platform that I recommend and that I use, right? I mean, you're probably getting this if you're in my community via a Podia newsletter. So just by using the free trial feature, because they offer a free trial, it's 14 days. It used to be 30 days. It's now 14 days. I have seeded a site with various online LMS offers, of which Podia is one, right? So I have Teachable, Thinkific, Kajabi, Gumroad, another service called Pathwrite, which I also use, which is really, really good, but really expensive. So I have all these different online LMS recommendations because my audience are looking to teach, right? I mean, that's what they're looking to do. They are, by definition, authors and teachers and coaches and consultants and marketers, most of which have some sort of online course they want to teach or multiple courses, or they have a book they want to convert into a course, or at the minimum, a digital download or an ebook or a service or a membership. So they make for a really good recommendation engine to send to Podia. Now, what I find happens, and again, this is just a screenshot of the last week, these folks are signing up for free trial offers. This one here yesterday signed up for a $790 a year plan. This one on, I don't know, whatever day the 25th was, signed up for a $79 a month plan. This one on the 24th, which was last week, signed up for a $79 a month plan. Now, I make 30% of all of this, right? And Podia follows up with all these folks on my behalf because really on their behalf, but I mean, I benefit from that because when they close one of these deals, so to speak, or when they sell one of these packages, their efforts are paying me money. So how this lands in a real life is you put the free trial offer on the directory. And then what I do, and I think I've explained this oh, here it is. All right, so here's the general approach that I use, right? So free trial offers are, they work really well. So if you can find them, which you can, use free trial offers. GoDaddy, for an example, any one of us who's in the online marketing niche in any loose way and has clients who are also in the online marketing business or aspire to be. I mean, GoDaddy is the king of like either free trial or really low, low barrier of entry offers, right? So $1 a month hosting plus a free domain name, right? So that's an offer that converts really, really, really well for everybody, right? Podia, in this case, converts really well. For me, I'm also using ShareTribe as a free trial to recommend to my audience. That converts really well, right? So you just want to seed your site with whatever affiliate offers complement your community. Now, this can be a little bit more challenging if you're doing hyper-local directories, right? So you have to be creative. Certainly lots of ways to do this in a local or a geo-specific directory, but it's a little bit more finicky. You have to be more imaginative, you have to be more creative, and you have to look for the niche and need, the market matches for the niche and need that you're targeting in a local community. I mean, every local demographic on a city-specific site has an online brand, right? I mean, there is your members are going to need to compete online. So a lot of these style offers in the online marketing space can carry over nicely to a local directory. All right, so here's the process map, and I don't want to skip this because this is really important. So this is what I do. I add listings, right? So I would add Podia as a listing in this example, or ShareTribe or Teachable or GoDaddy. I would give them a listing on my directory. I would also add a product or multiple products on the directory for them. I would, if I'm using my listing theme, I would attach those products to the listing by dint of the built-in attachment system that they have, right? So you can attach or associate a product with a listing. If the theme you're using doesn't have that, use coupons. Or if you don't have coupon plugin, link from the listing to the store where you have their product and set that product as an external URL, as an external link. WooCommerce has a setting that allows you to set any product with an external URL, and you just want to stick in your affiliate link, right? Really easy. Use the complementary content model, to let programs know they've been added or reviewed. This is really, really easy to do, and everyone ought to be doing this, right? So you just go on Facebook. You could have 3 fans. You could have 1 fan. It matters not. But on your page, you're just going to say something really nice about whatever product that you've just added, and you are going to ping them, right? So they're going to see that on Facebook. You are going to, mention them on Facebook. If you're using Twitter, you can do that there as well. Twitter doesn't work nearly as well as Facebook, but just use the complementary content model and then ping the people or the products or the programs that you are adding, and they will come to you, right? Maybe not everyone, but over time, you will find those folks will share your link, and it will give you some SEO juice. They will also share your review, and that'll send traffic from their site to yours. And you do that enough times over a couple of weeks, you start to get this cascade of community. And